Hello students, welcome to Angstrom Edu, India's best out solving app, and today we are going to learn about the topic accuracy, precision in instruments and error in measurement. So what is accuracy? Accuracy measures the correctness of a measurement. So accuracy measures the correctness of a measurement. Correctness of a measurement means accuracy is the degree of closeness between a measurement and the measurement's true value. Means it is the degree of closeness between a measurement and measurement's true value. Between a measurement and measurement's true value. If we talk about precision, then precision is the magnitude of deviation of a series of measurement and it is measured by an instrument. So, the magnitude of the deviation of a series of measurement is a measure of precision of measurement, is a measure of precision of measurement. So more is the number of decimal places means more precise. So more number of decimal places means more precise, Now if we talk about the errors in measurement, so what is error? So error is the difference between the measured value and the true value or actual value. So measured value minus true value is actually the error in measurement. So this is all about accuracy, precision and error. Thank you for the session. Happy asking.